Hey everybody, it's Tom. Today I'm going to show you something that I just discovered. Works great. I've done it numerous times and so far it has not failed me. And that is no fail Hollandaise sauce. Now I'm not going to make your traditional eggs Benedict with it, but I am going to show you what I call my working man's eggs Benedict. You know, it's not quite poor man's, not your traditional rich man's, but it's what I like eating a lot of times on the weekends. So, as you can see here, I've got a pot going with water that is heating up to make my double boiler. On that, I am going to put my bowl. I am going to add about a tablespoon of water, 1 egg yolk, just a splash of white wine vinegar for a little acid. I'd be using lemon juice if I had some, but right now I don't. 4 tablespoons of cold butter. Now comes the fun part. You just start whisking and whisking and whisking until you get what you want. Oh, one other thing. Tabasco sauce. Chipotle Tabasco sauce. I like a little heat in mine. Now, once you start this going, you can't stop. Otherwise, it will break. And this is going to take a while, so make sure you're all ready and awake and everything else. And basically, you just keep whisking and whisking and whisking until everything melts, everything combines, and you get the consistency you're looking for. So I'm going to keep working on this, and we'll be back. Okay, here we go. We are at the consistency I'm looking for. As you can see, it's got that nice, saucy, thick consistency that I'm looking for. If you like it thinner, you could have stopped this sooner. So, let me get this off, get a plate, we'll plate this up and see how it looks. And do the taste test. Be right back. I am working, but I'm not poor. So I'm using salmon, smoked salmon, instead of bacon. It's also a lot heart healthy, as some of you know. Now the poached egg. And here is the Hollandaise sauce. It came out perfect. Look at that. Nice and thick. Here we go. Alright, let's dig in and see how this tastes. Didn't get any egg on that one. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is done perfect. Plenty of sauce, bread, salmon. This is how a Sunday morning breakfast should be. So, this is how you can make Hollandaise sauce now and never have it break on you. If by chance it does, just add a little bit of hot water, a little bit at a time, and it'll actually reconstitute itself. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you liked it. If so, please click the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is Tom. I'll see you later.